really loves soccer.
I'm really good at playing soccer.
Tom took a rest and packed up his things to get ready to go home. On the way home, Tom saw something.
Wow! This hamburger restaurant is so huge.
Tom went into the restaurant and ordered a meal.
Which dish should I choose?
Tom decided on his meal and went to sit at a table to wait. The chef prepared the hamburger in a very filthy environment. There were so many cockroaches. The dish was brought out, and Tom ate it very happily.
I'm so full.
Tom suddenly had a really bad stomachache. He vomited a lot of cockroaches. Tom couldn't stop vomiting cockroaches. Everyone in the restaurant panicked, and the ambulance arrived. Tom was taken to the hospital and given care. Suddenly, his stomach swelled up. He vomited a lot of cockroaches in the hospital room. Everyone in the room panicked and quickly took Tom into the operating room. One month later, Tom had to eat vegetables to restore his health. The police came to the restaurant and arrested the person responsible for making the contaminated food. Tom has recovered and is playing soccer.
We should choose restaurants more carefully.
The kitten family is driving together on a trip. Family car was driving along when a fast-moving truck approached.